Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to create iOS app with Xcode and Windsurf AI. Download Windsurf software from the website. Once downloaded, open the software. Drag the Windsurf software to the application folder. In the application folder, open the Windsurf application. Once opened, hit the Get Started and click Next. Select the team and click Next. Sign up with your account. Click Skip for now. Then open the Windsurf application. Now log in with your account. Window will open like this. Now open the Xcode and select iOS app and give the name as Counter app and give the interface as Swift UI and language as Swift. Now minimize the Xcode. In the Windsurf application, select File and open the folder. Select the project created. Select the code with Xcode and give the instruction in the right hand side and click the Send button. It will analyze the project and started to generate the code. Once code generated, minimize the Windsurf and open the Xcode and run the project. In the simulator, execute the app by clicking the buttons. Thank you.